Welcome back to my channel. So you already know what Altschool Africa is. This video is not an introduction. I just want to show you real quick how to pay for the courses you've enrolled for, or how to pretty much pay for your school fees, aka pay for your school fees. So you first of all have to come to portal.altschoolafrica.com, or just visit altschoolafrica.com from your phone or from your computer, and then log in with your login details that they sent you when you were enrolling initially to study at Altschool. So log in with the login information. If you don't remember the login information, you can just use the forgot password to reset your password and all of that. Now I'm assuming you've already logged in and you want to pay for the courses you want to take or the courses you're taking. So when they tell you to go to your LMS to pay for your school fees, that is, an LMS is a learning management system. LMS, learning management system. So this is what they call an LMS, the current page you're in. And how do you pay for your school fees? You simply come to billing. When you come to billing, you can just go ahead and pay for the course you're taking. You're going to see the course here, and that's it. That's basically it. Here, your study kit is basically the courses you're taking at the moment, or the programs you're currently taking. Scholarships is available, scholarships out there right now. I have made a separate video about scholarships and how to get scholarships with Altschool Africa. So please check that video out. I am going to add it to the description of this video so you can check it out. But that's pretty much it. Just come to billing. When you come to billing here, you would be able to access the courses you're taking and pay for your school fees. So thank you for your time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, because I make a lot of videos you'll be interested in, and I'll see you around. Bye.